Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about the new Kaleidos Flower Punk palette. I just got this in the mail and I am so excited. This is my first purchase from Kaleidos, but this palette, y'all, it just spoke to me. So I went ahead and created two different eye looks so that I could use all of the shades. This is my first impressions. I opened it, but that's it. I hadn't swatched it, anything. So if you want to see how I created this look and to get my first impressions on this stunning palette, just keep watching. Okay, so I already have my eyes primed with the Smashbox 24-hour shadow primer. The reason I did that is because I use it every single day. So if I want to know how a shadow is going to perform, it's going to perform over that no matter what. So that's why I went in with that. So first, I think what I'm going to do is I'll tell you what shade I'm going to go in with, and then I will swatch it on my arm before I go in with it so you can see what it looks like on my translucent skin. So first, I think I'm going to go in with this shade right here, this Peach Soju. So let me go ahead. This is a first impression, y'all. I haven't swatched this, nothing. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. So here's the swatch of that. Just a very, I hope it's not getting blown out. Just a very pretty, peachy, creamy matte. Gorgeous. Okay. So I am going to take my Wayne Goss number 17 brush and go into, ooh, it's very powdery and pretty. I like it. Okay. So the one thing that I love about this palette is that the top is detachable. Oh, I hope I'm not blinding y'all. So that I can just hold the mirror and put the palette down. So I'm gonna blow off the excess, and then I'm just gonna take that shade, make sure I'm in view here, into the crease. Okay, that's really pretty. I mean, I'm so pale, and I did not take much at all. Okay, so this is a beautiful, beautiful, creamy, just very pinky, peachy shade. Oh, I love that. Okay. It blended like a freaking dream. I don't know if y'all saw that. Oh, that's so pretty. That's so up my alley, y'all. I love it. So next, I am going to go in to this shade right here called Mint Fever. So I'm gonna pick some up. Ooh. I'm gonna take it and I'm going to swatch it right next to the other one. Ooh, look how beautiful that's swatched. Okay, that's stunning. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna take that shade on a Wayne Goss number 20. Pick a little bit of it up. Get my little mirror. I love this detachable mirror. I wasn't too sure about it, but I like it. And then I'm just gonna take that a little bit more defined in my crease. So just right here. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Let me pick up a little bit more. Very pastel, springy. Okay, so okay, that's really pretty. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go back in with this Wayne Goss number 17, back into that Peach Soju shade, and just run it, because I'm missing that shade and it's vibrant. So just kind of run it along the top. Aww. Okay. That's really pretty. I like it. So next, I am going to take this shade Nouveau. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a little bit. That's pretty too. And swatch it for y'all. Oh my gosh, these are so pigmented. Do y'all see that? Oh, so pretty. Wipe a little bit of it off. And I am going to take this Sonia G mini booster brush, pick a little bit up of this Nouveau shade, and then I'm just gonna kind of put it in the outer corner. Make sure I'm in view. Okay. So just kind of blending that up and out. Just a tad, just to add a little bit of depth. So I'm picking up a little bit more. Just doing the same thing, blending it up and out and in a little, just to kind of tie it all together. Cool, so I'm gonna take a step back and look at that, and then we're gonna go into those pretty shimmers. Okay, so I kind of cleaned up the outer edge a little bit just to wipe off some of that excess so I can kind of see what I was going for. So next I am going to go in with this, oh, I'm so excited, this shade Stained Glass. Let me pick a little bit up. Oh my God, oh, I'm so excited, watch this. Oh, look at the shimmer. Oh, the camera's not gonna do it justice. Okay, that is beautiful. I'm gonna just kind of take that and pat it on the middle of my lid. Oh my God, y'all. This is my first purchase from Kaleidos. So I was really, really excited for this. It's not gonna do it justice. I hope that y'all can see this because it's amazing and beautiful. Let me see if I wanna add any more. Oh my gosh, look at that. And I really, you know, I didn't put my base on because I didn't know if there was gonna be any fallout, but tapping it on like that, I really haven't had any. I mean, barely. It's not too bad. It's manageable, let's put it that way. So, holy crap, that's beautiful. And then I'm going to take this cave. It's been a long week. This shade, Aloe Cove. Let me swatch it for y'all first. So I picked a little bit up. I'm gonna swatch it right next to the other shade. Ooh, and I know that my camera's not picking it up, but it's got this like pinky, iridescent, purpley shift. Oh, it's just so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna pick a little bit more of that up with my finger, and then I'm just gonna take this shade and put it on the inner portion of my lid just to kind of blend it into the other one. I'm trying to use as many shades as possible, so I don't really know how this is gonna turn out, but oh, y'all, oh my gosh, these shimmers. I can't even. Okay, that's beautiful. Gosh, I really hope that y'all can see this. Barely any fallout. Stunning. Holy crap. I'm gonna use all the shades in this palette, and on this eye, I'm going to do a look with the rest of them. Who cares if I have 2 different eye looks? So I first am gonna go in, I think, with this shade right here called Chlorophyll. Let me pick a little bit of it up and swatch it for y'all. Oh, this is nice. I don't have anything like this. So, oh, it's like a chartreuse. That's nice. So I'm gonna go in with, I kind of cleaned it off a little bit, this Wayne Goss number 17. Just gonna kind of do like, oh, like I did with that that peach shade. And blend it into the crease. That's pretty. That is like a bright greeny yellow on my skin. I don't know if I'll need to even pick any more up. Let's see. Pick a little bit. Cool. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, y'all, these mattes. They're matte, but they're so creamy and so pretty. Now I am going to go into this shade Golden Age. Swatch it first. That's a nice grungy. This is next to the other shade Chlorophyll. Ooh, very grungy. I like it. Okay, so I'm gonna go into that shade with a Wayne Goss number 20, just like we did on the other eye. Let me do it this way this time. I'm still learning this, y'all. You gotta bear with me. So I'm just gonna do like I did with that other shade and just kind of blend it lower into the crease. Still a little bit above my natural crease because I have hooded eyes, but lower than the other shade. Okay, so they're really similar. I do find that this Golden Age is picking up a little bit deeper on my skin, but overall, they're pretty similar. But that did deepen it up a little bit. What do y'all think? I think it deepened it up a little. So next I'm gonna go into this shade Earthship. Pick a little bit up so I can swatch it for y'all. That's really pretty. Okay, watch y'all swatch. Ooh, okay, so that is just a beautiful grungy green combo. And again, let me clean it up a little bit first since I just used it. Hold, please. And we're back with the Sonia G mini booster brush in the shade Earthship. I had to clean it off, y'all. I'm just gonna do that in the outer corner, outer V. Ooh, I like this. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't really have, like, I love greens and like mint and stuff like that, but I don't really have any of these grungier type colors, and I'm so excited to finally have something like this in my collection. And again, that is, oh man, it's just building up so nice. It's really creamy, y'all. And like I said, they're basically, take it in just a little, they're basically blending themselves. Like, I don't know if y'all see that, but holy crap. So of course, I have to add shimmer. I'm gonna go in with this shade Sun Gazer. Pick some up and swatch it for y'all. Whoa, look at that. Holy crap. How many times have I said holy crap in this video? Let's see, I'm gonna take it. Oh my God, look. It's so pretty. Oh my God. So I'm gonna pick up not that much. I'm actually gonna blow some of it off because I have a feeling that this is gonna go everywhere. We'll see. Oh my God. Look at that. Okay, yeah, this one definitely has a little bit of fallout, more so than the other shades. It's more of like a, it's not, I don't want to say glitter because it's not glitter, but it definitely is having, you can see that underneath my eye, but like, I don't even care because it's so damn pretty. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I love it. I don't think I mentioned, I did add a little bit of liner to this eye before I came back and did this one. I'm sure you saw that already. So I am going to go add liner, finish up my face, and I'll be back to give you my final thoughts. Okay, so that is the finished look. I went ahead and finished my base, finished up my eyes. I will leave the rest of the products that I used down in the comments, but I pretty much kept everything just really light because I wanted the focus to be on the eyes. I really like this palette. The shades are creamy and blendable. And the shimmers are just beautiful. I don't know if they call them shimmers. I can tell that they're definitely like a duochrome or a trichrome, just multi-chrome in general. Let me give you a closer look of what they looked like. And I know this isn't doing it justice, y'all. It's a really, really beautiful palette, and I definitely will be purchasing more from Kaleidos in the future. Just to kind of wrap up my eye look, I kind of mimicked on the bottom of what I did on the top. Just easy peasy. I'm not super, you know, artistic or anything like that, but I did want to try to test out all of the shades. So I hope that you guys like this video. I'll continue to update you on my thoughts on the palette as I use it more, but overall first impressions are just fantastic. I love it. So anyways, if you enjoy my content and you like my videos, please like this video and subscribe. I would love to have you join my little family here on YouTube. And also, if you're not following me on the gram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there too. Again, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye.